Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So they give us this Hasse diagram representing the tasks for completing a house or building a house. And they want us to come up with some kind of order for this. So this is really just the topological sort question. So we're going to look at the minimal of this Hasse diagram and then work our way up. All right, so let's go ahead and see. So I would start from down here. So our minimal element, or one of our minimal elements, is going to be the foundation. And in this case, it's the only one. So that means we have to start with the foundation before we do anything else. So let's go ahead and erase that task now. So now the next thing, our next task is going to be the framing. So we don't have any other minimal elements, so we have to do that. Then comes the roof, so we don't have any other choice in that placement. Then we have the exterior siding. So we still don't really get a choice in how to do this. But now we do. So we have 3 minimal elements. So we have plumbing, wiring, and exterior painting. All right. So I would think it would be better to do the exterior stuff once everything else is built. Because if you're still building and you're painting, then I don't know, things might get all messed up. Or at least that's how I think. So I would do wiring or plumbing first. So let's do plumbing first. So we'll do plumbing next. Then we can do flooring, wiring, or exterior painting. So I would do wiring after plumbing. I mean, you could do flooring, but I would say get the wiring done before you start putting floor down. Then you could do the wallboard. So let's do that. And now we have flooring and exterior painting. So let's just go ahead and do the flooring after this. Now we have between carpeting, interior paint, and exterior painting. Well, I would choose interior painting first before we put any kind of carpeting down. That way, if we mess something up, we won't have to worry about it. So interior painting. Then we can just go ahead and do interior fixtures. Then we can go ahead and do carpeting. It probably would have been actually a better idea to do carpeting before the interior fixtures, so you wouldn't have to move anything around, but I guess it's too late. And now our only minimal element left is exterior painting. So we have exterior painting. So now we can get rid of this. That leaves us with the exterior fixtures. And then lastly, it would be completed. So then we would just have completion. So this is just one possible order that you can use for this Hasse diagram. Like I said, there are some things you can move around. Like we probably should have did the carpeting before the interior fixtures, but kind of that's okay still.